doing a project to help the school get their green flag for eco-schools. So we're picking up trash and putting some gardens together, planting some trees, doing some weeding. It's a pretty cool program.
What you doing?
I'm helping clean up the school. We're doing the landscaping and the gardens for the Exuma Foundation.
That's looking good.
Yeah, Exuma Foundation, Georgetown Primary School.
And it's a great team effort. We've seen the results come together already.
We have carrots. The carrots are, you can see them right here. Better now.
Oh, it looks great. I know.
I'm loving it.
Yeah, it does. It looks great.
Yay! Woo! Good job.
Back home.
Another one bites the dust.
Whatever.
Right here.
Wait. Georgetown Eco School, how about that?
Right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Georgetown Eco School!
Great.
Perfect. What's happening out here?
It's pouring rain. There's a huge squall walking through us. Look at here. Here it is, on top of us. So Cole and I are going to go and wash the deck. I've got some.
It's a Mother Nature car wash. You can't film any better than this because I don't want to get the camera wet. Oh, that's cold. That's cold breeze. Cold breeze. This rain came in about 30 seconds. We were literally walking to the forepeak of the boat to pull up the anchor, and we were going to go over there. But you can't even see anymore because it's completely covered in rain. So hopefully, according by the radar, the rain's going to pass. We can pull up anchor and head over to Monument Anchorage, where we should be protected for the next 4 days while this cold front rolls down with some heavy wind.
Most kids will work for candy, I don't.
I'm really helpful. But hey, someone's got to be the camera woman, right? I'm nice and dry.
After the strong winds had subsided, we took the dinghy to shore and took a walk from the leeward side where we were anchored
And there it is, the big Atlantic.
to the windward side, the Atlantic side of Stocking Island at Georgetown, to see just how big the seas really were.
Wow, did you see those? Wow.
We were impressed.
Who goes out in that?
Oh my gosh! Wow!
This is awesome. Can you believe we saw a catamaran, a 38-foot catamaran come in from sailing this for the last 7 hours?
That's just suicide. But I did say I wouldn't want to do anything. I would not want to have to do anything with that way.
No sailing in this, right?
No.
No sailing in this.
The spot's perfect to enjoy it.
Yes. I agree. So we were just in bed here, reading and working on another movie, and this crazy, massive moth flew in and buzzed around our heads.
Man, I thought it was a bat.
Yeah, we thought it was a bat. So it's up here on the wall, and I'm going to try and show you how big this sucker is. Hopefully it doesn't fly at me. Whoa, shit! Oh, excuse my language. Where did you go now? This sucker's massive. Look at him. There's my finger. Whoa! Alright, buddy. Wow, is he beautiful? Yeah, he likes the light.
Big moth.
Yeah, he's like he's bigger than a hummingbird.
Twice the size of a hummingbird.
Yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna get him out of here. Whoa. Okay, buddy. Wow, he's got pretty red eyes too. That's what happens when you leave the door open. Alright, alright. I don't know what I'm gonna do without hurting him. Wow. I know, dude.
Turn the light off and maybe he'll come this way.
Alright, turn off that light.
The light on up there, you want him to go to where the light is.
Okay, I'm gonna shut the door. Oh, lost him. There he is. Okay, buddy. Head out. Come on, dude. Wow, I can feel the wind from his wings. They're so big. Dude, out you go. Okay, keep going. You're going the right way. Yep, keep going that way. Oh, yeah, into the kitchen. Around the light. No, now he's landing somewhere here. Alright, I gotta put the camera down. I can't do this with it. Success, I got rid of him. He flew right up through the kitchen hatch.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, we can sit down. Alright, okay. Here we go!
Well, that's it for Georgetown. I think we left part of our heart there. Our next video will have us saying goodbye to our cruiser friends and starting the 400-mile journey to the Dominican Republic, as we sail to the Acklin Islands, then Turks and Caicos, and after a brutal passage to the Dominican Republic, we drop anchor on the north side of the DR in Bloopers. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and for joining us on our adventure.
No way! You want to turn? Is that for you?
See over? No. How you doing, Tiger? Want goggles? Oh, okay. How you doing? Fun?
Oh yeah?
Woohoo!
When I fell off, I barfed a little bit.
Nice. If you like our videos, we hope you'll subscribe. Keep watching.